everybody. I want to read you a special story. Music is for everyone. Music is for everyone. There are so many ways to join in the fun. We can clap our hands. You want to clap your hands, guys? Or stomp our feet. We can sing out loud or move to the beat. We can play classical in a symphony with a big trombone or a timpani. What's a timpani? This is the timpani. The timpani is the set of the drums. We can sing a lullaby as soft as a pedal or shout out loud like it's heavy metal. Rock and roll! We can bring on the sun on a rainy day with some mellow beats and a little reggae. We can pluck on the piano or strum on the guitar. We can pretend we're up on stage like a big pop star. We can sing old standards like a real jazz cat. We can make up silly words. They call that scat. Do-bop, ski-bop, doodly-bop. Yeah. Beetle-dee. Boom-dee. Yeah. We can play the drums, we can make a racket, but if you're in a marching band, don't forget your
rabbit
jacket.
rabbit and nugget. We
can speak in rhyme and sing hip-hop or have a mighty fine time playing old bebop.
I can't see you.
Sit back, sweetheart. We can chant special prayers around a big campfire or sing sweet harmonies as part of a choir. We can pick up the banjo with a county twang or move to the groove aboard the music's soul train. We can tell a good story in a sweet folk song, teach everyone the chorus, and have a big sing-along. We can sing an operetta with a big booming voice or hum a quiet tune. It's your choice. It's fun to explore every kind of way that we make music together. So let's sing and play.